Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, navigate to the Notion website and sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Notion dashboard. This is where the magic happens, your command center for all things organization and productivity. Look for an empty block in your dashboard. This is where you'll bring GitHub into the fold. Simply type /GitHub into an empty block. After you type it, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various integrations and widgets that you can add to your Notion page. From this list, click on GitHub. This step links your GitHub repositories directly into your Notion workspace. Now, go to your GitHub repository and copy the URL. Now, go back and paste this URL in the box, and then simply click on Link button. Now it's time to connect your GitHub account with Notion. Clicking this initiates the integration process, where Notion will request access to your GitHub information. The process is secure and ensures your data remains safe while enabling powerful collaboration between the two platforms. Once authorized, your GitHub will be interested with Notion. And that's it. So that is how you can integrate Notion with GitHub. So that's all for this video. Thanks.